songs and shouts of jubilation in the compound of what used to be St. Peter's Church in NDEEBA this afternoon. Members of the church had just received the ruling of Principal Judge Flavian Zeija, cancelling a ruling in 2019 that led to the building's demolition a year later. Dodoviko Mwanje claimed the land on which the church sat. The 40-year-old church was demolished after a long-standing land wrangle between the church leadership and Mwanje.
The original case was between the registered owners or the registered trustees of the NDEEBA church land against the children of the late Evelyn Nachwa. The children of the late Evelyn Nachwa had gone to court to challenge the ownership of the land, which was before owned by the church. The children of the late Evelyn Nachwa were complaining that the church had registered itself on the land fraudulently.
After having learned of the church demolition, Iwanlusi Nsubga moved to the principal judge to have the order reversed and the case be heard afresh, claiming that she was not aware of the evidence that had been tendered in court. She also argued that she had never signed any affidavits or witness statements giving evidence in that regard. The court today ruled that the judgment of Justice Keitirima be set aside and the said case be reinstated and heard on merit. This is in line with Nsubga's request.
It is going to be allocated to another judge. Then that judge will be able to issue a hearing date for commencement of the hearing.
Nsubga also claimed to know the actual truth about the land which was gifted to Church of Uganda through her late husband Bishop Dean Nsubga, Reverend Y.S. Chitaka and E.K. Chizito, by the late Evelyn Nachwa, adjoint administrator of the estate. Mwanje says the demolition was not unlawful.
Evidence of ownership chapa. Koti chekakasiza tinze nyini cho. Okay, company yenyini cho mwendi director. So, koti bwegamba nti omusango guddibwemu guwulirwe bupya. Ngate kakasiza nti Ephraim Enterprises ye nanyini lyo. Kiba kisigadde mu bbanga.
So where does this leave the ownership of this land?
When court was passing judgment, it cancelled the church retained its title deeds. They are still with the church. Now the court cancelled and the Dodo processed his own title, and now he has his title registered in his names, and also the church has titles in its names. So the status quo has gone back to 2009 where the church was supposed to be the owner. Now the ownership is still pending.
For more than 10 years, a number of people have come out to claim ownership of this land, including the children of the late Evelyn Nachwa. Norbert at Kunda, NTV.